So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we will be doing a teaser of Hirandani and Krishala Township Phase 2, which is located near Darumbre, Hinjewadi, Pune and developed by Hirandani and Krishala Group. So in this video we are going to discuss about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before getting into the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer through Housey. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now, coming to the overview part of the project, Hirandani and Krishala Township Phase 2 will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 5 towers. Each tower will be having 4 levels of parking plus 26 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो अब देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। अब मेरे बैक एंड साइड में देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के पास में आपको दिख जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल। और अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर Ghatol's Farm Road, Darumbre, Hinjewadi, Pune. And you can also connect Vasantharao Hospital within 1.2 km, Chandkhed within 2.8 km and also Kasarsain Dam within 3 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 35 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, kids play area, swimming pool, multipurpose hall, gym and many more. So now moving forward to the carpet areas of the project, Hirandani and Krishala Township Phase 2 has 2 and 3 BHK premium residences and 2 BHK starting from 750 to 850 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1000 to 1100 plus square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share you the actual location tour and pricing and payment schedules also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Hirandani and Krishala Township Phase 2, which is located near Darumbre, Hinjewadi, Pune and developed by Hirandani and Krishala Group. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link. Like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.